Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is May the 13th, 2025. So today we are the 13th. A month ago, on April the 15th, I started this basil off. So that was planting day, and by the 19th of April, so just a few days later, it was already starting to sprout. And you can see how nice these have become. But right now, I need to get these out of here, so I am going to transplant them. Just want to make sure I'm on camera here. But look at this. You know, the crazy root system going on, and these are really desperate to be switched over to a larger pot. So that's what I'm going to do today, but I wanted to get this on film before I did that. But anyway, there we go. Just a really fast update on these, but it just shows you how quickly you can get basil to grow. And one quick note about this, all of this basil here was started off from seeds from basil plants that I had last year. So I harvested the seeds last year around October, and I just kept them dry throughout the whole winter season. And there we go. So you can see how easy it is to start these from seed at home, just using seeds from a previous batch. So there we go. Anyway, that's it. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.